Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to mute someone on your threads. So you can just mute some account on your threads using this method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to mute someone on the threads on your Instagram threads account. So first of all, you just need to click on the profile that you want to block. So I'm just going to go into the followers, clicking on the followers, and here so I'm just going to following and just click on the profile, and you just click on this profile and just click on this three dot option, and or you else I just going to following, you just can search any account and just click this and you will see an option called mute. Just click on this mute, so you can unmute them from their profile threads, won't let them to muted them. So that it will not won't show them that we muted the account. So just click on the mute post, which actually you just muted this account, so you will not the post of this account actually muted. So I think this is how you just mute this account on your threads account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.